Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your JLab headset to your Motorola phone. So first let's go ahead and locate settings, and I'm going to swipe down from the top right, go to settings right here on my Motorola phone, and then locate the Bluetooth options. So on my Motorola phone this is under, I think, network and internet, or it's actually connected devices. So let's go back. Here's Bluetooth. Now I can go to pair a new device, and it's going to be searching for Bluetooth devices to connect to. Just press this little button right here and it should start searching for it. Go to your JLab headset, open up the case and remove the earbuds. Now it should be in the Bluetooth pairing mode simply by removing it. Here's JLab Go Pop Plus. So we can just go to this. There's two different options. We can go to both of them and connect them. So we got BLE. So this one shows the actual life of it. And then we can go to pair new device if it's not working, and we can try the other one, JLab Go Pop Plus, and we can pair it right there. So you can pair both of them if you want. I think one will work and the other won't. But this one actually tells you the battery life, so I'm assuming this is the one that works. So it says Timothy's JLab Go Pop Plus for some reason. I don't remember naming that at all. But you can go to forget the device right here. And this will allow you to bring it to a new device a lot easier if you go ahead and just forget it. Same thing with this one, I can just go to forget. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.